the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jaintia Hills in Mooriap, in West Jaintia Hills in Mukroh and Tihwieh, BOP number 3. This is in West Jaintia Hills. In Ri-Bhoi, in Rani-Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpih. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Khasi for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Ri-Bhoi district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to cut the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences within Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Ri-Bhoi district. So Ri-Bhoi also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Ri-Bhoi area. So these are the major decisions that were made today in the cabinet.